What is a tsunami? How can the peaceful ocean suddenly turn into a giant wall of destruction? Deep beneath the sea, a tsunami usually begins after a powerful underwater earthquake. When tectonic plates suddenly move, enormous energy lifts the ocean water above it.
Welcome to an immersive experience exploring the incredible, often terrifying, power of nature's most devastating phenomenon, the tsunami. The ocean, usually a source of beauty and tranquility, holds a silent, catastrophic threat deep within its depths. Imagine the dark, stormy ocean at night. Gigantic waves move slowly under the pale moonlight, punctuated by cinematic flashes of lightning. The scene descends, an underwater camera moving towards the Earth's colossal tectonic plates, as a sudden, deep ocean rumble is heard. The true origin of a tsunami is not the churning surface, but the violent transformation occurring miles below, in the deep-sea earthquake zone. Through cinematic CGI, we witness tectonic plates colliding, triggering a massive earthquake and causing the seabed to violently rise. Shockwaves propagate through the water, amplified by the immense energy displacement, sometimes accompanied by dramatic underwater volcanic activity. This massive displacement of water is the catalyst, forming the unstoppable energy wave that we know as a tsunami. We observe the massive tsunami wave, often barely noticeable in the deep ocean, traveling at incredible speeds across open waters on a satellite-style Earth view. From the underwater perspective, this is an unstoppable energy wave, moving through the ocean's entire depth, carrying immense destructive potential. As the wave approaches shallow coastal waters, friction with the rising seabed causes it to slow down and dramatically increase in height. The gigantic tsunami wave is now visible, a terrifying wall of water approaching the unsuspecting coastal city. In cinematic slow motion, chaos ensues, people running in panic, cars floating, and buildings collapsing under the massive force of the water. The aftermath is immediate devastation, with realistic flooding and destruction engulfing the city as emergency services desperately try to reach survivors. Tsunamis remind us that our planet's power is vast and unforgiving, particularly along major seismic activity zones. We pivot to the Pacific Ring of Fire, observing seismic activity visuals and the coastlines most vulnerable to these catastrophic events. We remember the devastating 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, a dramatic recreation of the tsunami hitting Indonesia, Thailand, India, and Sri Lanka. Out of the darkness and destruction emerges a fragile but enduring human spirit. Amidst destroyed villages and flooded streets, we see emotional survivor visuals, individuals helping each other, finding strength in community, and looking forward. The storm passes, leaving a calm ocean behind. A beautiful sunrise casts a warm, hopeful glow over the damaged coastline. As the sun sets, we slowly pull away from the ocean, leaving a scene of peace and the quiet promise of recovery.
Nature is powerful, and understanding it can save lives. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cinematic documentaries.